This is Rabia Sultana from Hard Talk Maldives. Once again, the island nation of Maldives, famous to the world as paradise on earth, is moving towards a dictatorship. The freedom of expression and assembly guaranteed by Article of Rights under UN Geneva Convention Universal Declaration of Human Rights is disregarded by the present President Ibrahim Solih. Meanwhile, the leader of the Maldives political party, MNP, and Dengethi MP Mohammed Nazim has said that while Indian military presence in Maldives should not be tolerated, but the India Out movement spearheaded by former President Abdullah Yameen is motivated by personal reasons by Yameen. In a press conference held by MNP on Sunday, Nazim said he does not support the current Indian presence in Maldives, nor does he accept the policy of letting the Maldivian economy fall into the hands of specific individuals.
He then said that the India Out movement is propelled to achieve personal goals and therefore MNP would not be participating in any of their activities. "We are witnessing protesting once again to achieve personal goals of a certain person," Nazim said. He also said that the police have the authority to stop any act that could disrupt relations with foreign countries and that there is no need to issue a resolution for this purpose. He also said that he was concerned about the police using force to stop opposition protests without properly accessing the situation first.
Vice President of MNP and Parliament member Villamale constituency Ahmed Usham said the resolution issued by President Ibrahim Mohammed Solih to curb anti-India activities violates the constitution. He said that no fundamental right can be withheld without a law passed from the parliament, and that the constitution does not outline a way that would allow for the president to withhold them with a resolution. The National Security Council had decided that the India Out movement is a danger to the national security of Maldives.
MNP leader Mohammed Nazim was the defense minister during the government of ex-Yameen Abdul Gayoom. He was sacked by Yameen Abdul Gayoom after police carried out a nighttime raid at his house and found lethal weapons. At the same time, Maldives ex-president Mohammed Nasheed, who was famous to the world as island president and a champion of democracy in the Maldives, accuses MNP leader of planning and executing the downfall of Mohammed Nasheed government in 2012 coup attempt in which many criminal police and military took part.
Many Maldivians believe that Nazim did play a role in ousting the small island state's first democratically elected leader, Mohammed Nasheed, in 2012. Nasheed stepped down as president after widespread protests in which the military and police forces backed opposition demonstrators. Nasheed claimed that he'd been ousted in a coup d'état at gunpoint. An investigation later that year denied the former president's claim of a coup.